a juice that raises people from the death. It has been a hit around the world for decades, and it only takes 2 minutes to make it. Yes, you got that right. In this video we're going to show you how to make the most powerful homemade drink ever made. Many people have tried it and they're amazed by the results. They also say that this powerful drink will raise you from the dead. As we said, many people around the world use this homemade drink for centuries, and it's highly recommended for all people, especially for those who are fighting cancer. This powerful drink will help you boost your energy levels, boost your immune system and improve your blood count. The best thing about this homemade drink is that it's very simple and easy to make, and it's made by easy available ingredients. Note, but yes, there's but. The only downside is the drink is not too tasty. But the results are amazing, so it's definitely worth it. The experts also claim that this drink will help you reduce the side effects from the conventional chemotherapy treatment. Even though many people said that this drink tastes terrible, no one ever stopped drinking it because the results are amazing. Well, this is the main reason why people say that this drink literally rises from the dead, and it's not just for people who have health problems. Sometimes, if you feel exhausted, without energy and depressed, well, maybe it's time to make this homemade drink. Ingredients: 1 kilogram of beetroot, 1 lemon, 1/2 pound carrots, 3 oranges, 3 apples, 1 kilogram of honey. Directions: clean all the ingredients and put them in a blender. Blend until you get nice mixture. Pour the juice into a glass bottle or glass jar. It shouldn't be kept in plastic bottles or containers and refrigerate it. According to the experts, you'll get the best results from this homemade beetroot juice if you drink 1/2 glass of it every morning on empty stomach. If you drink this homemade beetroot drink for 10 days, you will feel refreshed and full of energy. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.